This is the Thermos for Kids Funtainer food jar, and this thing is amazing. It says for kids, but I would use this. It's 5 hours hot, 7 hours cold. And look at this. Comes with a little spoon. Super smart, great for lunches or snacks, whatever. We use these during, summer camps. You have to pack a lunch during school year. Put rice, anything in these. Really nice that it has a little spoon. It stays securely there. And then open it up, easy to clean. You can fit a good amount in there. It has a little name label that you can attach to it. When I do hot food for my kids, I like to preheat this. I'll pour some hot water in it and then dump it out and then put the hot food, and it stays hotter longer. Super durable. I've never had any of these break, and I've used them for both of my kids and they beat them up. So highly recommend the Thermos Kids brand. Super high quality, super durable, and keeps food hot or cold.